Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday afternoon, December 28th. We're looking at window traders' market profile of the ES and SPY. And look, we can't really be surprised. The market's been a down year, so they're going to keep pushing these things, especially these tech stocks. You know, if everybody, I'd be a little surprised if they just let them off the floor, like we've been saying in the trading room. Why would these fund managers want to see any of these tech stocks get lifted off the floor? They're already getting hurt this year. You might as well bury them as much as you can and try to start off as low as possible come January. So I wouldn't be surprised if this continues. We attempted to come out of an inside day for the second day in a row to the upside. We got close to the balance high and failed. And what happened? We rolled right over it with a look above and failed, got yesterday's low, and then started pushing to the balance low. Now, some people are using Friday as the balance low, and that's fine. I'm using Thursday. So for me, it's still balance on the daily. Nice afternoon rally high in H, which I nailed on a short, although did not get all of this gain by any stretch. Qs, believe it or not, have 1 penny of single prints. So they're actually a double distribution day. Triple Qs, afternoon rally high. They're getting dangerously close to last month's low. They're only about less than $1 away from it. If they close below it on Friday, they would have an outside month down. Russell goes out with a double distribution day. And they are now almost $3 below that magical 2018 August high. So the market is struggling here. I had a good day. Mostly shorts. It took one long. I didn't do anything to C period because I didn't know what they really were doing in A and B. They were all over the map in A and B. But I nailed them really nicely with a 4-lot short in C, another 2-lot short in D. Then in G period, it looked like they were going to finally pop F's high. I went long on a 3-lot and did okay on that. Then in G, when we started going higher, I started a short. Now, I started a little too early, around 36, I think. But then in H period, I added very nicely at 42. And then it obviously rolled over and came back in, did nice. Certainly didn't take the whole benefit of this move. I was looking to short it again in K, but I was looking for a little higher. Didn't get it, didn't take it. And that was the last trade of the day. But it was a good day overall, as we keep just knocking them around. I mean, again, I've been short a lot recently because the market's been telling us to be short. We ended with lower value on the day. I was very comfortable with this short in H for a couple of reasons. I didn't think we were going to go back to A's low to keep pop there. Value had gone totally lower at that point. So again, I wasn't surprised. We end up inside day down. That's successful and an outside day down, ladies and gentlemen. We took out yesterday's high and closed below yesterday's low. So even though we're in balance, it is an outside day down. So the market, is definitely struggling right now. I didn't even put in the daily low, did I? 376.42. Okay. I just had to get the daily low. So as far as destinations go, I'm not using L's low as a probe. I'm trying to do it where we're at least 50 cents away from the previous low in M period or high to use that time frame as a probe. So for the downside in SPY, we have today's low of 376.42. Then we have the weekly low of 374.77. And then we have a weekly low below that of 373.61. For the upside, we have the little single print up at 380.25, 1 penny. Today's high of 383.39. For ES, we have today's low of 04.50. And then 88.50 is the balance low. On the upside, 43 is H's afternoon rally high. That's an afternoon rally high as opposed to a double distribution day for SPY because ES didn't hold singles. Today's high of 75, which just missed the balance high of 75.50. And SPY is actually weak against, their balance high. Losing my voice. Now, let's get to the chart for a minute because I want to show you a couple things. Again, we're going to recap the whole week, year on Friday night. So here is SPY. So I'm in a 4-day balance. We looked above and failed, came back, took out yesterday's low, outside day down. But my big level is Thursday's low. To me, that's the balance low. Okay? So we're still in balance, but it is an outside day down. Now, there's still 2 days to go in a year. I don't expect to take out, well, no, I shouldn't say that. Last month's low in SPY is 368.79. So we're $8 away from it. If by some chance this market really pukes the last 2 days, we can have an outside month down in SPY. The weekly is firmly down. And then you have the triple Qs. So here's last month's low, 259.08. We got today to 259.73. So they are a lot closer and a lot more danger of having a possible outside month down. Could be a very interesting close to this year. Thank you for the likes and subscribing. Come check us out at camelbacktrading.org. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.